Hello viewers. Impact of Rahu Ketu on planetary strength. My viewers, all planets, सारे planets एक तरफ, राहु केतु एक तरफ. राहु केतु का impact on planetary strength. I'm coming up with a very different type of approach. Let's vouch it if you can see in your charts. But Rahu Ketu is still a matter of study. Still a matter of study. When I say my research, when I say my points yet to be considered, Rahu Ketu, you cannot take it lightly. I am just discussing one aspect, planetary strength. Planetary strength with respect to combination of planets. Planetary strength with respect to combination of planets. Yes, Bhrigunandi Nadi, I am explaining, I am taking the approach of BNN. 159, trinal strength, yes. Out of 159, 1 very important. Directional chart, yes. 3711. 3711, the impact of third and impact of 11 versus 7th. I'll be coming up with a separate video. I repeat, I am giving you a very, very strong hint, or I can say study. 159, definitely a part of journey. 375, a very strong control in which, 3711. When I say 3, 7, 11 में जो third and 11th है, that has got a different approach. 7th, modifier. I can again come up with the term 7th planetary aspect on any planet. 7th house planetary aspect on any planet. Let's take it 180 degree. Impact of Mercury on Saturn. Mercury is 180 degree of Saturn, or Venus of 180 degree of Saturn. Saturn will absorb the characteristics of 180 degree in every journey aspect. So 180 degree, I will show you on my chart, is different. So again I repeat, 159, 3711, 159, the most powerful is 1, which goes along in every aspect of journey. Acha, one more thing, when I was going through the messages, journey means, I'm not talking of karmic journey, I'm talking of what's happening in the life. When I say journey in any particular native's life is his what's happening in his life in a regular years or days. So there was one question कि सर आप journey किसको कहते हैं? Journey and qualitative strength are different. That's I'll show you on my charts. Qualitative strength is what the planet has got in its natal past and history. Journey, when I say, it is आपकी जिंदगी में कैसे होगा, क्या चल रहा है आपकी जिंदगी में, कैसे चल रही है जिंदगी. I can say every month, every year, every 2.5 years, every 5 years. Yes. Now, when I say any planet 180 degrees, take the keyword modifier. उसने उसको modify कर दिया, उसने उसको अपना जैसा बना दिया, blending of energy is there in 1 also. 1 means, when I say within 30 degrees, 1 is there, but 1 is, you don't lose your characteristics, you blend with this and you go along. But 180 degrees में you totally take the characteristics of the other planet, and I can say the percentage of the characteristics of the other planet in 180 degrees is very, very high. It's very, very high. Obviously, Saturn के सामने Mercury है. Saturn will not lose its characteristics to that extent, but सामने Mercury will modify. Saturn Mercury वाला बन गया. वही सैटर्न मरकरी कंजंक्शन में है, तो मरकरी को साथ लेकर सैटर्न चल रहा है. बट जब सैटर्न मरकरी ऑपोजिट है 180 डिग्रीज में है माय व्यूअर्स, तो वो जो सैटर्न है, वो जो उसकी कार्मिक जर्नी, वो जो उसकी प्रोफेशनल जर्नी है, लेट्स कार्मिक जर्नी को फिर अलग से डिस्कस करेंगे, जो उसकी प्रोफेशनल जर्नी है, इट इज फुल ऑफ हिज बिजनेस माइंडसेट, इट इज फुल ऑफ हिज बिजनेस, द बिजनेस चैप्टर गोज अलॉन्ग. The business chapter goes along. Obviously, age of native is very important because I'm talking when I'm taking Mercury as a business in professional life of one's chart. So I'll prefer at least the age of 20-25 plus. So these were the impacts. Now, impact of Rahu and Ketu. Impact of Rahu and Ketu. Rahu Ketu's का trinal impact is very very important. जिस हाउस में है राहु केतु, डेफिनेटली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई एम नॉट कमिंग अप विद द एडवांस स्टडी विद राहु केतु बिकॉज राहु केतु की एनर्जी इटसेल्फ एंड राहु केतु की एनर्जी कंट्रोल्ड बाय प्लैनेट और राशिज, दैट आई विल कम अप. डेफिनेटली थिंग्स बिकम डिफरेंट माय व्यूअर्स. बट नाउ व्हाट आई वांट टू एक्सप्लेन और व्हाट आई वांट टू कम अप विद माय स्टडी इज राहु केतु very powerful in a particular house, 30 degrees. When I say for planets, it is also the same. But now when I say for planets, after 30 degrees, the second powerful part which controls the planet is trine, 159. But when I say for Rahu Ketu, the trinal energies, though are very, very strong, but 212 crosses 159, is ahead of 159. So to sum up my video by this particular lecture, when I say planetary strength judged with a planet, and that planet is any planet except Rahu and Ketu. So for every planet 30 degrees is the maximum, whether it is Rahu Ketu or whether it is other planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, Mars, etc. But now when it comes to the second level of strength, for all the other planets except Rahu Ketu, the trinal powers are very strong. But for Rahu Ketu, I will rank 212 ahead of 159. And 212 may be no confusion. I am not saying 212 according to the chart movement. I'm not saying according to the chart movement. I'm saying the movement of Rahu and Ketu. I'm saying the movement of Rahu and Ketu. Rahu Ketu जिसकी तरफ जा रहे हैं. Rahu Ketu जिसकी तरफ जा रहे हैं. So if I can come up with an example, if in a native's house chart, 8th house is Jupiter, 9th house is Ketu. 9th house is Ketu. So the impact of Ketu apart from that trine will be more than trine. It will be in the 8th house. 8th house. That means Rahu Ketu ki movement is on the opposite side. And it's on the opposite side. So opposite side ही कह रहा हूँ मैं. तो Rahu Ketu की power, whenever you see the planetary strength, your Ketu will impact what? So Rahu Ketu will impact more on 30 degrees first. It's common for both. Then other planets it is trine, but Rahu Ketu it is 212. It is 212. Right, my viewers? Definitely clockwise movement. If you want to take the other language, all the planets are moving anti-clockwise and this is moving clockwise. So Rahu Ketu is clockwise. And then third में I'll rank Rahu Ketu की trinal powers. Third में I'll rank the trinal powers. Yes, this thing applies in transits as well. This thing applies not only on natal chart. This thing applies on transits as well. But transit astrology, there are other factors to be considered. Thank you, viewers.